Hello dear student, today we are going to learn some basic problems related to environment. So very first one is climate change. So climate, it is an average weather of an area. The control temperature, evaporation rate, seasons, various seasons, moisture content, and these are prevailing at least 30 years or more than that period. It is said that it is the climate of that particular area. Now, this climate is continuously changing. So, what are the causes of climate change? The first one, we can say that there is uneven heating of Earth's surface due to the global warming. Then, the properties of air, land, and water, these are changing or polluting continuously. Fossil fuel combustion, it is one of the major cause, and greenhouse gases. So, these are badly affecting the health of ecosystem on the earth. The effects are like the agricultural waste, agriculture is going to suffer from this. There is relocation of birds, animal, humans. So and it also leads to the acid rain. And one of the consequence of this climate change, it is global warming. So see, what is global warming? Global warming, it is the overall increase in the temperature of earth's surface. Now this happens when greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, water vapor, nitrous oxide and methane, they trap the heat from the sunlight, and it kept the atmosphere mostly 30 Celsius warmer, and it is very essential by natural process so that earth temperature is see here it is given the average surface temperature is about 15 degrees Celsius, and it quite become 33 degrees Celsius due to these greenhouse gases. So for existence of life, this greenhouse effect is very natural one, but when it extend beyond the limit, so that there is increase in the overall temperature of earth, and it results into the global warming. The unsustainable consumption patterns of industries, there is the impact on global warming. The climate change, it is continuously observed. This climate change obviously not helpful for us, but it is one of the headache. The greenhouse effect, it is the process by which the radiant energy leaving a planetary surface, it is absorbed by some atmospheric gases, and these gases are called greenhouse gases. So what will be the percentage of this? Like water vapor, they are 70% into the earth atmosphere. Carbon dioxide, it is almost 26%, methane it is 9%, and ozone it is 7%. So